Good morning to all students. I hope you all are good at home. So students, in the previous week we have started the chapter number 3 of economics, that is money and credit. Okay, so today we will do some revision of this chapter. Okay, firstly we will discuss the meaning of money. मनी का मीनिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? मनी इज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. मनी क्या होता है? मनी इज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज फॉर बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. मनी एक मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज होता है जो हमें गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज की बाइंग एंड सेलिंग में क्या करता है? हेल्प करता है. बिफोर मनी, जब मनी नहीं थी, there used to be barter system of exchange. Before money, there used to be barter system of exchange. In this system, goods were exchanged for goods. इस सिस्टम में क्या होता था? goods were exchanged for goods. goods को goods के साथ क्या किया जाता था? exchange किया जाता था for doing the transactions. For example, there are two persons. For examples, there are two persons A and B. A wants to purchase the shoes and B wants to purchase the wheat. Both can do transactions with each other if they are able to fulfill the needs of each other. If B is ready to sell shoes to A, if B is ready to sell shoes to A, and A is ready to sell wheat to B, then they can do transactions with each other. This system is known as barter system of exchange, in which commodities are exchanged for commodities. The economy in the barter system of exchange is known as CC economy. The economy in a barter system of exchange is known as CC economy. The full form of CC economy is commodity for commodity economy. Okay, now we will discuss the meaning of market. Market का क्या meaning होता है? देखो, market refers to a place. Market refers to a place where buying and selling of goods and services occurs. Market is that place where buying and selling of goods and services take place. That place is known as a market. Very simple. Next term is plastic money. Plastic money. Plastic money is that money which is in the form of debit card and credit card. Plastic money is that money which is in the form of debit card and credit card. Okay, हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? बिफोर मनी देयर यूज टू बी अ बार्टर सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज एंड द इकोनॉमी इज नोन एज सीसी इकोनॉमी. बट देयर आर सम ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ बार्टर सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑल्सो. जब मार्केट में गुड्स को एक्सचेंज किया जाता था, देयर यूज टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम. दैट प्रॉब्लम इज नोन एज डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ बॉन्ड. That problem is known as double coincidence of want. In this problem, A and B cannot do transaction with each other. If A wants to purchase wheat, and B wants to purchase shoes, A is ready to sell shoes to B. A is ready to sell shoes to B, but B is not ready to sell wheat to A. B is not ready to sell wheat to A. They cannot do transaction now because they are not able to fulfill the complete needs of each other. Okay, then this problem is known as double coincidence of want. Is it clear? Money solved this problem. Money solved this problem because in the barter system of exchange, sale and purchase occur at the same point of time. Sale and purchase same point of time पर होता था. If A wants to purchase wheat, it is compulsory for A to sell the any commodity to B. Okay, As it is in the case of B, B wants to purchase shoes, it is compulsory to sell any commodity to A. Okay, so in the barter system of exchange, sale and purchase occur at the same point of time, but money solved this problem. Money has separated the sale and purchase. Money has separated the process of sale and purchase. If A wants to purchase wheat, अगर A को wheat purchase करना, it is not necessary for A to sell anything to the shopkeeper. A can easily buy wheat with the help of money. A can easily buy wheat with the help of money. So money solved this problem of double coincidence of want. Is it clear? The next topic we discussed about the modern form of money. The next topic we discussed about the modern form of money. Modern form of money, it includes notes and coins. Modern form of money includes notes and coins. Before notes and coins, before modern form of money, there used to be old currency, for example gold coin, copper coin, etc. Okay, now there notes and coins are used in the modern form of money. The notes and coins are issued by the RBI, by the authority of central government. Notes and coins are the issued by Reserve Bank of India, by the authority of central governments. That's why this modern form of money is accepted as a medium of exchange. इसलिए हम इस modern form of money को as a medium of exchange accept कर सकते हैं. Okay, the next topic we discussed that the deposits with the bank. Next topic हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Banks की deposits with the bank. Whatever the extra cash with us, हमारे पास जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा कैश होता है जो हमें नीड नहीं होती है इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, वी डिपॉजिट इट इन द बैंक. हम उसे बैंक में डिपॉजिट करवाते हैं. दैट डिपॉजिट्स आर नोन एज डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स. उन डिपॉजिट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स बोलते हैं. सो हाउ कैन वी एक्सप्लेन द डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स? डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स रेफर्स टू दैट डिपॉजिट्स विच कैन बी विदड्रॉन, which can be withdrawn any time on demand, जिसे हम any time on demand withdraw करवा सकते हैं. That deposits are known as demand deposits. The other name of demand deposit is checkable deposits. The other name of demand deposit is checkable deposits. Checkable deposit भी बोलते हैं हम किसे? डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स को. Checkable deposits against which checks can be issued, against which checks can be issued, जिसके अगेंस्ट हम चेक भी इशू कर सकते हैं. That's why it is known as checkable deposits also. Is it clear? On our deposit, on our demand deposits, bank pay some rate of interest to us. बैंक्स जो है हमें सम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑन आवर डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स. ओके, द वन पॉइंट इज नेसेसरी टू नोट दैट ऑन डिमांड डिपॉजिट बैंक पे इंटरेस्ट टू अस, बट ऑन लोन बैंक्स चार्ज इंटरेस्ट. बट ऑन लोन्स बैंक्स चार्ज इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम अस. Okay, the difference between interest charged by bank, the difference between interest charged by bank and interest paid by bank is known as spread. Spread is the income of bank. Spread is the income of bank. So what is the definition of spread? The difference between interest charged by bank and the difference between interest paid by bank is known as spread. Spread is the income of bank, or it can also be the revenue of bank. Income को हम revenue भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने प्रीवियस वीक में हमने इतना ही डिस्कस किया था. ठीक है, आई होप दैट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन आस्क फ्रॉम मी. थैंक यू सो मच.